Welcome to my bunker. The year is 2050 and the only surviving people outside I think are the vegans. I think it might have something to do with the meat. So we are going to make you a delicious vegan dish using only long life ingredients and things that I have foraged myself using my foraging skills. So join us. I have nothing else to do. Let's get cooking. First step, we're going to boil some water. It's ready. In goes the absolute delicacy that is our smash. It's going straight in. It smells so bad. Be generous. This is gonna have to last you a week. We're gonna pour in our boiling water and just you watch the magic happen. As you can see that when you add the boiling water to smash, you are left with these rehydrated potato flakes that couldn't be more appetizing if they tried. We wanna keep the potatoes light. We wanna keep them airy from dust to mash. We are going to season the crap out of him because otherwise he's not going to taste very nice at all. We are going to add in some equally dry nutritional yeast. We have no cheese. This is the best that we're going to get at this point. The cows died long ago and we're vegan, so we're going to go in with plenty of salt. Finally, a little bit of mustard. Let's treat ourselves, shall we? Right, in we go. So mustard, bit of black pepper, and we're ready to mash. Again, the softest food on God's green earth. Well, grey earth.
Look what we've done.
To the fridge. Oh, we don't have a fridge. Now we need to chill this. And luckily it's a nuclear winter outside. So I'm just gonna pop out, put it out there, and hope I don't get caught by any zombies. Join me in my pantry. Somewhere here, I will have something that we can use as a meat alternative. We're going to be using a tin of the good old jackfruit to fill our delicious croquettes. Away we go. We're going to drain away the juices because we don't want those. Save you to make a little phone out of later. Now we've drained our jackfruit, we're going to pick out all the tiny little seeds. We don't want them in there. We want a smooth, almost like pulled pork consistency. See the seed? This is the stuff that's been keeping me alive. Full of nutrients, full of minerals, full of goodness. Oh no! Now our jackfruit is shredded. It's gonna go into a hot pan. We're gonna get some oil in. Jackfruit goes in, some smoked paprika, garlic, chili flakes, Italian seasoning, and finally, pinch of salt. Give that all a mix together. Now we're gonna be adding in some tomato paste, brand new. Stole it from someone down the road earlier. In it goes, we're going in with about a teaspoon. Gonna give that all a mix together. Splash of water, just to help loosen it up a little bit. Then we're going to crumble in our secret ingredient, which is our vegan beef stock cube. It's going to add a nice bit of colour, nice bit of flavour. Oh, that's very warm, but absolutely delicious. Thank God it's an apocalypse because I don't want to have to share this with anyone. Right, so we're going to allow this to cool before putting it inside of our delicious mashed potato. And do you know what I think this needs? A lovely saucy dip to go alongside our croquettes. We were going to go out hunting for some wild garlic, but the last time I checked, it was wiped out by the TikTok influencers of 2030. So we're going out to find some wild basil, and it is a dangerous mission. Wish me luck. Someone. Let's go. Oh God. Oh, the things I've seen. Anyway, time to make some aioli. First step, we're going to take some of our basil. We don't want to get excited and use all of it at once because it's hard to come by. In it goes garlic granules, teaspoon of mustard. Screw the eggs. All we need is a bit of chickpea water, just a bit of aquafaba, and then veg oil and some salt. Time to blend. Now listen, we've got to be as quiet as possible because we don't want to be heard. And now we are left with the thickest, glossiest aioli you've ever seen. Give it a little taste test. That's delicious. But it just needs one more thing. My trusty bottled lemon juice. We're gonna give it a little mixy poo. Get a load of that. Now that's done, we're gonna go ahead and assemble our croquettes and then fry it up and get everything together. I wouldn't be able to apocalypse without my trusty friend, the long life milk. So into some flour, mixing it all together until we have a very thin batter. Lovely, and that's gonna help the lovely breadcrumbs stick to our croquettes. Pours into the water. Grab a nice amount of your mashed potato, fill it with your filling, make sure there's enough in there, and then you're gonna roll it in the plain flour, then in the wet batter, and then finally in the panko breadcrumb. Bob's your uncle. There he was. It is time to fry, so we are gonna get our croquettes into some sizzling oil. In they go. Because both ingredients are already cooked, we don't need to fry them for very long, which is a great thing because I'm hungry and need fuel for fighting. Beautiful golden brown. This is my doomsday meal. What's yours? Comment below. Medium-high heat, you don't want them burnt, but you want them hot all the way through and golden brown on the outside. So take your time, enjoy the process, because it will be worth it. Here we have the most perfect apocalyptic snack of all time. These are my beautiful fried croquettes. We've got a crusty outside, we've got a mashed potato, smooth, silky middle, and then inside we've got the meatiest of meaty fillings without any meat whatsoever. We're gonna dive in. This is life's single and only joy right now. And do you know what? Cannot believe, but I can, that these are made with these here pantry staples. Who needs restaurants when you have a bunker? I'm happy as Larry. So if you're out there and you've made them, give me a bell on the old radio or just comment down below. But whatever you do, stay safe, stay vegan, and oh God, it's happening! Make these before they get you! Ah!